host concerts, maximum 20,000 people. Also, within the walls there is a designated field where couples getting married have an outdoor wedding. Rather dodgy in Northern Ireland because we do get quite a lot of rainfall. Works very simple. They build an altar out of bales of hay, and the guests simply sit on the bales of hay. And it says to go on now for about 5 years. Also located within the walls is a very nice little unique walled garden. So once we actually get through this little location, really from Belfast all the way up to here would be predominantly Protestant.